dear students, let us start today's class. So, in the last class, I have started your chapter 7, that is your cubes and cube roots. Okay, and already I have covered exercise 7.1. Let us start today exercise 7.2. Open your books, all of you. Exercise 7.2. 7.2, here we will do only question number 1. Only question number 1. We will learn here how to find out the cube roots. Okay, in the last chapter, that is your squares and square roots, you have learned how to find out the square roots. Okay, so here also similar. The process is similar. Now, in finding square roots, we have used three methods. One method I told, 4 methods are there. One method I told that not required. 3 methods we have done. Repeated subtraction. Then we have done your prime factorization. Then we have done your division method. But here in finding cube roots, we will use only the prime factorization method. Understood, all of you? Let us start exercise 7.2. Sorry, not 7.3. Not 7.3. Extremely sorry. It is 7.2. Question number 1 only we will do. Question number 1 is 64. Very easy. How to find out the cube roots. Okay. So let us start by prime factorization method. So do it. 2, 32, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2 over. Now we will write here. You will write below this. Okay. I have no space here. It will be not covered in the video. So I am doing here. Okay. 64. See. 64 is equal to 2 into how many 2's are there? 6 2's are there. Okay. This. In this way. Done? Okay? We will write down the factors in this way. Clear to me? Clear? Now, what to do? Make triplets. This. In square roots, you have made pairs. Here we will make triplets. Now, how to write C? Cube root. 3 you will write in this way. 64. So, you have given cube root here. Here also you have to give. Don't be careless. Give it properly. Now, 2 triplet can be written as 2 cube. This can be written as 2 cube. Now see, as it is cube root, 2 will come. Then from this 2 cube, 2 will come. So 2 2 is 4. This is your answer. Okay? In this way, we have to find out the cube roots. Understood, my dear students? Okay, this is a very small problem. So I'll go to more problems in the same class. Then you will understand properly. Okay? Understood, I hope? Okay then. Let me go to the next question. Now, let us come to the next question. 512. You have to find out the cube root of this. Okay, let us factorize it. 2. 2 2 is 4, remainder 1, 11, 2 5 is 10, remainder 1, 2 6 is 12. Then, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, remainder 1, 2 8 is 16. Then, 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8. 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. 2, 16. Now, 2, 8. Clear? Then, 2, 4. Then your 2, 2 is 4. Understood? Okay? Now, let us write 512 is equal to. How many 2's are there? 9 2's are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make triplets. This. These are the triplets. So therefore, what you will write? Cube root of 512 is equal to. Okay. Cube root of this. This will come 2 cube. Then this will be 2 cube. This will be 2 cube. Okay. So from this 2 cube, 2 will come. From this 2 cube, 2 will come. From this 2 cube, 2 will come. So what? 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. This is the cube root. Understood? All of you? All of you, my dear students, understood? This is how we can find out the cube roots. More I'll do. Don't worry. Okay? Let me do more. Okay then. Let us go to the next problem. Okay? Okay. This is the number, next number. Let us find out the cube root. So, 10648. Let us factorize it. Okay, we have to now always remember, my dear students, though it is very late to tell you, factorization, prime factorization always start by 2, then test by 3, then by 5, then 7, in this way increasing order. Now a number can be divisible by 2 as well as 7. You cannot start by 7. You cannot start by 7, you have to start by 2. Okay? Okay. First by 2, it is divisible by 2. You know the divisibility tests. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Okay then. Then 2 2s are 4, remainder 1, 2 6s are 12, remainder 1, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Now, next prime number is 3. Is it divisible by 3? Find out the sum of the digits. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 6 7, 7 plus 1 8. 8 is not a multiple of 3. So it is not divisible by 3. Next prime number is 5. 5 unit place must contain 0 or 5. Then only it will be divisible by 5. No, it is not divisible by 5. 7, it will not be divisible. It will be divisible by 11. 7 you can see by dividing whether it is divisible or not. 7 divisibility test is much clumsy. So better to divide it. Now 11. 11 also. Yeah, it will go. 11 1 is 11, remainder 2, 23, 11 2 is 22, remainder 1, 11, 11 1 is 11. Now 11 1 is 11, remainder 1, 11 1 is 11. Okay. So 10648, it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11. Make triplets, this one. So therefore what you will write? Cube root of 10648 is equal to cube root of what? 2 cube into 11 cube. So from 2 cube 2 will come, from 11 cube 11 will come. 2 11 22. This is your answer, my dear students. So how to find out the cube roots? Okay, am I clear to all of you? How to find out the cube roots? Clear? Okay, now one more I will do for you, how to find out the cube roots. Finding cube roots, one more I will do. 10 questions are there. Rest of the 6 you will try at home. If you face any problem, you can personally call me. Now you are having your physical classes also. Okay, you are having already the physical classes started. You are having your physical classes also. You can ask me in the physical classes also. Okay, right? Okay then. Now next see the problem to 27,000. You have to find out the cube root of 27,000. Okay. So let us find out this. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, remainder 1, 2 5s are 10, 2 0s are 0, 2 0s are 0. Then 2 6s are 12, remainder 1, 15, 2 7s are 14, remainder 1, 2 5s are 10, 2 0s are 0. Okay. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, remainder 1, 2 7s are 14, 1, 2 5s are 10. Now my dear students, it is no more divisible by 2. Is it? Now next prime number is 3. Is it divisible by 3? 3 3 6, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 7 18. Yes, 18 is a multiple of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Remainder 1, 3 5s are 15. I think again divisible by 3. Yes. 3 3s are 9. 2 remainder 22, 3 7s are 21, remainder 1, 3 5s are 15. Then 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, remainder 1, 15, 3 5s are 15. Then 5 2s are 10, remainder 2, 5 5s are 25. Okay. Then again by 5 5s are 25. Clear? So what to write? 27 000 is equal to 3 2s 1 2 3, 3 3s 1 2 3. Okay. Then 5 1 2 3. This one. Clear? Okay. This. Okay. Clear? Okay.
Therefore, cube root of 27000 is equal to cube root of this is how much? Cube root of this is how much? So here cube root this 2 cube into 3 cube into 5 cube. Okay? So from this 2 will come, from this 3 will come, and from this 5 will come. 2 3 is 6, 6 5 is 2 3 is 6, 6 5 is
Okay? Okay, my dear students? Is it okay? Okay. So this is all about your finding your cube roots. Okay? So with this we have come to the end of this chapter. I told already that I need only 2 classes to finish up this chapter. Next chapter I think it is 8 and 12 is here. I'll decide whether to take up 8 or we'll take up 12. Okay, later on. Out of the those 2 chapters I'll take one. Okay, clear to me? All of you okay? Clear? Okay. So with this we have come to the end of the class. This much for today. Thank you all.